Next, another advocate in a city just north of us, Mayor Dioso, who has the interest of public safety, I know, in the city and also this region. We appreciate his voice, we appreciate his partnership in ensuring that the funds that are needed for public safety are in fact provided to us. Mayor Dioso. Mayor.
Thank you, Commissioner. Good afternoon, everyone. I always appreciate having Mayor Loza next to me. We've stood side by side in many fights, most recently opposing the addition of the citizenship question to the 2020 census. I'd like to start off by thanking Progressive Latino and Prensa Laboral and all our community partners that are here with us today. Our city is one square mile, but we are diverse and united and strong. Central Falls experienced a devastating bankruptcy in 2011. We saw funding from our police department cut dramatically and our staffing reduced by 20%. Thanks to the burn JAG grants, the Central Falls Police Department has been able to rebuild with over $100,000 in funding for much needed upgrade to the police department's computer and communications technology systems. Indeed, in the last 10 years, Central Falls has received over $250,000 in JAG grants, funding to equip our police officers with the tools to effectively police. Now, in an unprecedented fashion, the Attorney General of the United States wants to change the rules for American cities like ours. He says we can only get the funding that we have relied for over a decade if our police department goes against its own policy and procedures. Mr. Sessions wants our police department to serve as agents of a broken federal immigration system. What the Department of Justice is asking us to do is not justice. It goes against everything that we stand for as a city, as a state, as a country. Central Falls has always been a welcoming community since its incorporation in 1895. We are home to multiple ethnicities, cultures, and languages. We are proud of that. The residents of Central Falls Province in the state of Rhode Island are hardworking, honorable, and exemplify the American dream. They say about us, the whole world in one square mile, and we are proud of that diversity. After I became mayor and our police colonel became chief of police, we sat down with our diverse community and wrote new policies together regarding immigration detainers and police policies. We have been very clear in policy and in practice that the success of the Central Falls Police Department requires the trust and cooperation of the community, and we will not sacrifice that trust by doing the job of federal immigration agents. Indeed, since this time in 2013, major crime statistics have dropped by nearly 34%. We are here today because this success in policing and the success of our diverse community is at stake. We in Central Falls made a promise to our community, and Mr. Attorney General, I will not break that promise. This is why we are here today, asking the federal court to order these special conditions eliminated and for our cities to receive this important police funding. Thank you very much, and I really want to thank Mayor Loza again for doing this together, and I want to thank my police chief, my solicitor Matt Jersey, and everyone who worked hard on this motion. Thank you very much.